from OGS Mechanics Workshop. We've got this beautiful classic car, Porsche Targa, for which customer dropped it in to have some security installed. As you can imagine, being an old car, you only have one classic key, no transponder, no immobilizer whatsoever, and you really want to have such a car better protected. So what we have done on this one, we install an alarm with an immobilizer and also notification. So when the alarm goes off, it triggers a notification to the customer alerting him that alarm has been triggered, but also the alarm will have a purpose of immobilizer. So once the vehicle is armed, as you can see from the button, the vehicle cannot be started unless obviously the alarm is a disarm mode. Everything is well hidden inside the car and very hard accessible as an alarm system it should be. So again, a glimpse into what we do here in OGS Mechanics. We work in conjunction with car key solutions, where we have solutions for anything from car keys to vehicle security. So do get in touch and we'll be more than happy to assist you with anything that you need for cars and vans. Thanks for watching.